The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer has many ways to help you keep your food fresher longer. In this video, you'll learn how to vacuum seal with the bottle stopper accessory you may have received or purchased for your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. For using the bottle stopper, you'll need to construct the vacuum tube attachment. Place the end of the vacuum tube into the sealer cup, add the ring, and then the sealer cap. Place the other end of the vacuum tube into the vacuum port on the inside of the appliance. Now you are ready to preserve your wine. Insert the bottle stopper accessory into your wine bottle. Then place and firmly hold the large end of the vacuum tube attachment over the bottle stopper. Press the Vacuum Seal Only button. Your bottle is vacuum sealed once the indicator light clicks off. You're all set. Now you are ready to use the bottle stopper vacuum sealing accessory. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.